He was drunk.
That's
I'm gonna
not.
answer this question. Mums asked you what attracted you to her in the first place. Not be rude. She was drunk. He answered the question. You had. I remember having that about 5-6 Magnum too. I didn't remember what I was doing really. Yeah, Magnum can make you do that. You think you're a superhero as well. Mm-hmm.
Yo, nobody drink too much. That's
Yeah, Magnum, especially Magnum. It will make you. You won't feel it until it just lick you.
Nah, man. Magnum, the two things.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, TikToker Rosalie, two-man them, is very upset with her. Yes, as you can see, Starr is talking about, oh, I'm not for drink 56 Magnum. They give Rosalie the business, I know Jake is warning Rosalie, Him no want have no contact with her because right now I'm get a new wife and him life is happy now. And he doesn't want no contact with her whatsoever. Only wants to co-parent. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, you know, Sister Dance, the team Rose is miserable. And them favor Rose and is trying to live them life through Rose, because for them time done and gone. Yeah, people want bagga and want to say, yeah, what we're going to do. We're going to listen to Jake's warning. You see, I say, and we're going to listen to what Starr and I say, because him say, Rosalie violate him for views and things in him. You see, I say, so let's like and share the video from up on our social media platforms and let's get into it.
I'm going to teach it last time. One last time I'm going to teach you something. Leg off for the boy. Because the boy now look for you. Me attack. Me attack. I don't really who you attack. Me attack. Now look your side. You see it? Live your life. We don't have to talk. It's not you have to be with them, so we don't have to talk. Not because we have children together. We still don't have to talk. No. Because first thing first, the two of them all enough can come to either me or you, whatever them want. So me and you, the have exchange, nothing at all.
It definitely sounds like a good deal to me now that Rosalie mission is accomplished. Because should I use Akeem to get rid of the old dirty boy, He see me, I say, can't find himself no one be daddy for 12 years and all of these good things, you see me? You know what I mean? So this sound like a good deal. You see me, I say, cause Rosalie both for turning up that summer, at girl summer business. But nevertheless, let's get back to what Starr and did a chat because him kind of tight. You know what I mean? The man vexed that the girl let's play with him away,
Fuck with the head and it fuck with the testosterone. That's why it's a tonic wine. You understand? That make when you drink 6 Magnum, you want to fuck. Cause if me never buck her, she never buck me, but definitely know me that go back my fist cause the Magnum did inner my back. And for the amount of years where you depend brown man. Nice brown man, nice clean brown man. What happened? And I give me that cocky the brown man. I get in my skin. And then that night me just vulnerable the more. More just more vulnerable. As me said last night is a softwood. Me did really I look for, And she said, I never tell her lie. I said, so would you can tell her a lie. Me never do that. She said, no, I said, bro, more cloud. I put one foot, catch up one foot on the bed and made the bedboard go broke. Boom. And I said, shit. I said, no, I have to go bend down there. So I'm just, over the pumpkin skirt. Overhead. And rasta one backers and then I check and look outside if nobody there on the road and then I said, go on now. And that go on. Me not lie, it sound, and people are gonna hear this and say it sound disrespectful. But I'm not disrespect, me just tell them the truth.
Yeah, because she has stated so I do it more than one time. So
Right.
why you not gonna tell the
I have to
truth?
talk my truth. If me go in a court tomorrow, the same thing I tell the judge. I have to just tell the truth. So she forced me not to tell the truth. When she called X, me never flap her. And she changed it from 5 and 3 and 2 time and she had changed the number them. And she said we never walk on hold hand. No, you come last night and make video about me for stop going like me you did there. And me for stop going like me there all and hug up and kiss. And which part you never hear me say them something here, people? So me for stop this. When you never hear me say them something here yet? But you tell Lion a gaslight the people, but oh, Starr and stop call up my name, but me and your ex, like me, they walk on hold hand. Girl, you was on one fright stand, not even a night, a fright. It's a one frightening stand, and that was it, done. Never call it, never see a back a road and say, come second round. No, me no man. No, people, me's not our ex, man. Stop say that. She doing the truth. No, me's no. Mm-mm. No, fright, not fraud. No, me never depend holiday. No, me. I think at the time she had it 19, me I did maybe 26, 27, something like that. You understand? She wasn't no pitney. She was no 14-year-old. And she stepped on the live, on the same live, or same screen record. She said she a fuck her and she a 14 and I never me fuck her. So I know them never grape her, but me grape her. Get the fuck out of here, man. That's why I'm not look on all that. That never. You know, sometimes you hear the name, a man name get a car or something, and him aunt get a skip a beat. That never make my skip a beat. I just realize that you're a low blow going person. You go the lowest ends to disrespect nobody.
Disrespect and disregard.
The lowest of the lowest to bring down anybody.
I just not understand what she comes so out of blue for you.
I think it's the screen record where she see me, Jake Fallon, and share the power there. Because that's what she start with by saying, oh, all you enough self, boy, you had the battles with Jakes. Or something like that. All right, here we then, mama. Me hear what you say, and respect for forward upon talk your truth. Not that you pick up for me, but you state facts. See, I'm going to tell you this straight up. Me no days of a tear her down. I make that known. Me no days of a tear her down. But as me say, she just do something and me feel like say, you know what, me just give back the same energy where you give me. And I just that me I do. Me no days of a tear her down. You understand me? But she did violate. You understand me? Me no days of a tear her down.
I know you're genuine. My sister, she violated if it's true. And you have feelings as a person. You have to stand up and defend yourself at the end of the day. But right now, Rosalie crash out too much and she over the things and she look like a fool you know. I don't see truth. Me don't hear time. Me talk from a place where I don't
Me can't hear it, man. You be honest.
But me tell you, I rate the woman and she start because me who follow her. And I cheer for her. If me not careful, me gonna look like fool too. Because you say you left for man, you know. And every day you're there for the man, move on, learn to move on and clean up yourself, shake up your folly ground and do the right thing. Even your children, me hear she talk to Chantal somewhere. Brother, I don't know something wrong with Rosalie. Rosalie need counseling. She need help, brother. Right now, she need help. And I know you know you're not there so for no clout or nothing, but you have feelings. And how you stand up for her and defend her. You don't deserve what she did dish out to you. But just big up yourself still. We catch and chat again.
All right, that's all right. Change your name because I'm going to screenshot it down.
All right.
Bet you black
Starr funny.
No, me I tell you, and that them I gonna do. Cause she have some, with that line now. Me wish me have a team of idiot like Rosalie. Cause she have a serious team of idiot in
You know
some
what it
people.
is, Starr? They're living through her. A lot of people, it's like a soap opera. It's like EastEnders. We're watching EastEnders. And it's like they just want to feel some kind of, some entertainment. And they got trapped in this whole series. Whilst the people are rooting for her happiness, it's like they lack of the vision and seeing of the wrong thing she's doing. So it's like, and then even when some of them will tell her, but she doesn't take talk. She has no reasonability. So you can't reason with her because as soon as you start reasoning with her, it's like she shuts down. She's not hearing what you're saying. It's straight like, okay, you're probably telling her, you go suck her mother, basically. She not hear what you really are pouring to her. And me watch you pour into her, Starr. And if anybody don't know Starr been like a public figure on the internet before. Like, remember, England bigger than Jamaica. So he's busy on the internet before anything. So I like him need the clout or anything.
And numbers them I watch. Man.
Exactly. This is it. It's all numbers and views and everybody's so consumed with all those stuff and want to be seen and want to go viral. And come on, look how long we go viral.
People need to understand all the numbers thing work. We have 600 people over here. We have the devil over here, 666, right? Normally upon my life, 100 people, 150 people, I'm a constant people. So I know this are extra 400 people over here right now. Me know them that they are really in support of even me. Wagwan Jaja. Them that they are in support of me. Them there for the mix up. And at the same, she need to realize, Zane, big up yourself, baby. She need to realize, if you look, when she do her live normally, let's say she have about 2,000-3,000 people in there. But as soon as the mix up start and she start act out like a big idiot, let's say, you have 10,000 people, and then she reel up for that and feel like you're mighty. That's just, you just have full out the stadium for watch the clown. You take the life to see. If me have a 600 well, watch me daily, genuinely, I'm all right with that. When the numbers go 3,000, 4,000, just know some excitement, people. Look, me don't want excitement from nobody. Because most of them there for spread propaganda. Me don't like them crowd there. You understand what I say? But she now realize them something. Else. But she really need help. But guess what now? This is how we draw the line, my friend. Sorry for Marga Daga. Me I tell him get bite to pussy cause all stitches to
I was kind of waiting. If you go with Juju, I kind of commented it, I knew it was coming, Starr. You know me, Jimmy Jenna Starr. And I kind of see, and I appreciate that, we're a woman. So, me now try bring out in a woman's sake. It's just our behavior. Because I wonder if I still have faith in her if I say, she go, see something, I go knock her and she go say, But I thought the kids were taken away with a help her and say, all right, then that was the
make me go up on
bottom.
our page.
You know what I
The
mean? I
kids
thought that could have
part.
liquor, but this
And
actually
the
go
kids
wild.
part, let me go up on the page. The
Oh,
kids
God.
part.
Did you watch the video
In
when she
my
was
head,
talking to her daughter
remember in a
yesterday?
Munchie. Remember I know. When me dey on my life, you know much woman come to me and say, start them relationship now work out. Start them. As a man, with your advice, I'm say, Mama, say you're not wrong right there. So I think that man the real and true is not for you. You have to go try and get yourself out of a situation. Or, Mama, here we are going. But kind of see which part you go wrong and you need to work on yourself. Me give people positive outcomes. So in my brain, I say, if me help how much people over yourself on a daily and reason with people and give my unapologetic fuck ups to people as examples so them can learn or for best maybe avoid a man that had traits like me when back in the days or whatever. Why me can't extend that same courtesy to somebody when we know personally. On the internet or lose a picnic. That's why I'm go. That's why last time I
Oh,
played the video,
no.
first video I ever go on. See, my ex, me say, hey, no bother with that.
I know.
I never make it public. Me not shame in the fact where she was a one night stand in a sense of because of how she look. If she look the same way she look right now and had a better personality, but I still feel proud in myself. But with the personality we have, on top of everything now, that is what makes me feel disgusted.
Alright, Starr, I say this man come down. Remember we were in our life since week. I'm say to you say, what is the limit of disrespect? Because she does disrespect anybody, and I have a kid here, And I say,
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. People might must have follow me on my Credible Boss channel and Boom by a news channel. So myself to keep up with more bagger and mix up because say the dopey girl bring up our dead cemetery front and I call up my flipping name. Yeah, so I have to relive through them situation there. And Queenie get veneers and all of these things again. Them like that drill out and mouth and them stuff them. So do the right thing and follow me all over the place. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.